If you put 12, how much one will get approximately? How many kilos?
About between 90 to 100 kilos.
No, one tray.
Per tray, yes, per tray.
100 kilo?
Yes.
Here?
100 kilos, yes.
You can come so many of you are.
It's okay.
You can come and have a look.
You are starting?
Yeah.
Okay, 100 kilo.
About 100 kilos.
And you have 12 on each other?
Yes, 12.
So I'm coming. So the one which will drain from first, from top.
Into the second one.
And then it will end there.
Yes, it will still continue draining till it gets to the last one.
There are so many cocos.
Yes.
How can he penetrate all of them and come down?
It goes easily. That's why you see there are larger holes.
But
like
this mucilage is thick, right?
Uh-huh.
And they will block.
It goes just easily.
And what should you have on the bottom? Some hole, or you can, you can put them like this.
No.
Or you put them on the pallet.
We put them on a slab, like so that it will not completely sit on the floor.
Yeah. So it will drain and it will drain into this drainage channel. So this is what you need, right?
Yes.
Support. This is support.
Yeah, support.
And here for the drainage. And how many days with trays?
That's for maximum 5 days.
Shorter?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why shorter? Huh?
And we don't turn. And we don't turn as well.
So less labor.
That is it. But you need more
From here.
capital.
More trays.
Yeah, for
From here, I told you
Yes.
the fermentation is brought about by microorganisms.
Yes.
And they are all over. And they use oxygen, atmospheric oxygen. And because these things are in layers,
Oxygen comes from all the places,
from all
from
angles,
everywhere.
from the top, including from the bottom.
Yeah.
So the microbes at any point in the setup get some amount of oxygen to start at the same time instead of maybe starting from the upper layers. You see,
Okay.
so it cuts the number of days down.
And also no turning is needed.
Exactly, no turning by a day or two.
Okay.
That doesn't mean that that's the best.
Yeah.
It is not.
What is best in your opinion?
They are all
Good.
They produce the same
Difference is
quality.
time.
The same quality.
Time and scale. Time and scale.
Exactly.
If you are a very small farm, like 1 acre, you do it like this.
You have big farm.
Yeah. If you have, let's say, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 acres, you do this, right?
This one is quite big. It contains quite huge than this one.
Yeah.
And then this one is the biggest. So if you have a big farm,
If you have like 10, 20 tons,
This one or that one.
or both of them, either box or tray.
Yes. Tray
Yeah.
as well as.
But I have the Tom's chocolate, the Danish chocolate company. They looks like they are more happy with the quality and flavor. Why? So there is quality difference also. More uniform. Here some people say you may still get some purple beans.
that was the reason why we came up with the
with
tree.
this purple.
That was the
You
reason
see,
why we came up with the tree.
And here no purple beans, right? Okay.
I say with this one. Hello.
Good afternoon.
During the turning,
Yes.
it's most probable that you may get some of the beans
Dirty.
hiding in between the leaves,
Yeah.
which after turning may not come up.
Yeah.
It's supposed to come to the surface
Yeah.
for fermentation, which may not come.
Yeah.
So once it doesn't undergo fermentation, you will still have the purple color not broken down.
Okay.
You see, so it's actually through that.
How many farms in Ghana? I'm not asking you to list every one of them, of course, but can you tell me 2, 3 farms which use this nearby?
No, there's no farm.
Or far away in western region or Ashanti?
There is no farm. Apart from the cocoa institutions
nearby. Yeah.
nearby.
But I heard that there are some big farmers in Western region. What is he using? Still hip fermentation.
Well, I have not been there, so.
So these boxes and trays are only here in CRIG.
And then the cocoa
Research stations.
research stations, exactly.
But you cannot show me any farmer who is using them.
I think the reason why he's saying that is he doesn't actually go out to meet the farmers.
Are you
know,
going?
No, I don't. We have the social scientists, and then they go around to meet the farmers. So what we do here is to educate the farmers on the various types that we have. So if you think that you have a farm that is quite huge, that you using the hip, is quite tedious, then you go in for the box. But sometimes also the farmer, would like to use the materials available. They don't want to actually invest in
I understand.
farming.
But
when that happens, that's how they
if you educate farmers, then how many farmers come here?
A lot.
Let's say per month. How many farmers do you train per month? Approximately.
Per month, actually, what happens is we have the cocoa solid disease control unit. That is the extension unit of Ghana Cocoa Board. See, they also do a lot of education when it comes to the farmers. But here, actually,
fermentation training.
Yes, they also come here for training.
So for fermentation, how many farmers did you get last month, or previous month?
Last month we had 2 farmers group coming in, and then mostly they don't come, individually. They come as a group.
How many farmers each group? 10, 20?
No, more than that. Sometimes 40, 50.
And that is just a curiosity, or they really want to use it?
They don't actually only come for just one thing. They come to actually learn everything.
So because if they want to use it, then at least one of each group must be using. One farmer from each group.
They might be using. And then it depends on the farm. Sometimes they are farmers, but their farms are not that big. So,
in Ghana we have just small holdings.
Yeah, I know.
Just a few people have.
And maybe they don't want to build it in the farm, right?
Also,
just large plantations.
That is also
can be stolen or something.
It can also be a factor.
Yeah.
That is also a factor. The farm not being that big.
Farm is far away from house. They don't want to build it there.
And then after everything,
and they don't want to bring pots to home. And near the house, they don't have space to build this.
So several factors.
A lot of factors contribute.
Okay. Anything else that I missed to ask on this? Anything else that you tell your farmers, but didn't yet tell me because I interrupted you at the wrong time, or I forgot to ask you something, or you are just a bit tired and don't remember everything. Anything that if I want to build it tomorrow, did I hear everything from you that I needed, or there is still some secrets, etc.?
Yes, you had even more than necessary.
Okay.
You had more than enough.
More than
so
enough.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you.